Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
The lady had come out of the house to go to her husband, the messenger of God. Suddenly, she saw a man who asked her where the messenger of God was. She thought that he was one of those who wanted to kill the messenger of God. She kept denying him until she was sure that he would not follow her. Then she continued on the way until she reached the messenger of God. After greeting her, Prophet Muhammad told Lady Khadija that Allah and the Archangel Jibreel have asked me to convey their greetings and salutations for you. Indeed, who was Lady Khadija who reached such a high position that God gave her this greeting many times? Lady Khadija was a chaste, pious, monotheistic woman and a businesswoman who engaged in trading, and she took many of these business trips with the Messenger of God, who was called Muhammad the Amin. It was during these trips that Lady Khadija and Prophet Muhammad developed a deep appreciation for one another, and after a few months, Lady Khadija asked for Prophet Muhammad's hand in marriage, and so the preparations for the marriage of the best woman in the world with the best man in the world were made. A simple ceremony was held in the presence of the elders of Quraysh, and Abu Talib, the beloved uncle of the Prophet, read the marriage ceremony for the two of them. Lady Khadija was the first woman to become a Muslim, and during their marriage, Lady Khadija gave all her wealth with love and affection for the Messenger of God and the religion of Islam.